Aurora's back now. Fuck.
What?
So this is where we all swim.
Okay, make sure not to go here.
That's where you jump from. So no, it used to be able to. Last time I came here, I could actually see the bottom.
Well, it must be a bit dirty.
This is what people got. So that looks like a safety rope because when the current's going, that will pull you away, pull you over the cliff. Can you see me?
Yep.
Oh, damn, that's cold. Oh, that's cold. Yep.
Oh my god! That is way too cold! I've got frostbite!
Forgot to push record. Can't, Aurora, it's recording, go. Just, Aurora, jump right next to the step, but make sure you jump away from the wall, not on the wall, near the wall.
Well,
And just past, no, Aurora, this side of the rope. It gets shallow over there. You can see the weed just at the end there.
I'm getting ready to put.
Well, she's not even going to jump, she's too much of a sook. Jump!
Or I'll push you.
No, you're not. Use jump, Flynn.
Oh, now.
Shut up. He's not swimming anyway. Yeah, well, you know where your towels are?
Yeah, it's cool. Actually, I'll go hang up my towel right here.
How's it going, Missy?
Pretty well. Yeah, holding for the ropes.
Come on, because Oscar's freezing now. Let's get it done. Yeah, bitch.
2, 1. No, Oscar, walk down. 3, 2, 1. Go, 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 go.
Everyone jump.
3, 2, 1.
Jump, Aurora. Grab your towel. It's like -5 degrees in there. Look what you did to my nice water.
Look what you did to me.
You didn't even bring me back my plants that I wanted. Go again.
I don't think I can get those.
Go to the steps.
But
Yeah, old school steps.
I'll just reach for something.
I'll just throw you in and then you can get it. Oh, that is cold. Oh, that is so cold. That big bunch there would be nice.
Step in the mud.
Go, you jump in the mud.
No, you step in it. Let's just see how fun it is, Dad.
Oh, that's deep. Well, there's another step there.
Oh, nice.
Oh, not really, because it means I've got to go further now. Oh, no, that's deep.
I told you it was deep.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, that's deep. It's not that deep. Wait, I will just take a...
Yeah, and just remember, it's all good to sort of... Let's say that Sam leaving.
That's what this is.
Oscar, get down for a second.
I know what it is. It's a giant kraken tentacle.
Not wrong.
What?
Wrong. Guess again.
What is it?
I don't know, guess again.
I know.
See if you can balance the whole way across the logs. Are you going for a swim again? It's too dirty there. You got to jump in at the end. You know how you're a big girl. Either just get in there or get out. But the longer you play in the mud, the sicker you're going to get yourself. So I don't care if you do it, but just either get it done and don't do it again. No, not Oscar, you, mate. Why are you always pestering people? Well, duh. Hours.
We've got a pathway that leads to Flint Town, and that's Oscar Town. Then down there is Aurora Town.
We're about downtown.
Oh, there's a bucket.
Yep. We're not... Bloody beautiful though. Oh.